Hi everyone, on the packs here. This is the latest addition to my bike. It's a small DIY top case. I am using a big one, a 50-liter top case from GV, but it's just too big for one-day trips. It's unnecessarily big, and the wind resistance is huge, so you can't really go on highway with it. And especially on bumpy roads where it needs to take up a lot of stress like that, it's not ideal. It's sturdy and good and everything, but I don't need that much space for one-day trips. So this is a perfect size for one-day trips. So this is how you open it with a. There is like a safety. You have to push first to raise this lever. So the size is just perfect. You put a raincoat in it, a sandwich, water, tube repair kit, maybe some tools, and that's it. It's like 35 centimeters by 25 and 15 centimeters depth. So this was the most sturdy looking box I found. The brand is Le Couffy or whatever, however you pronounce it, and it cost me like 70 euros. Whereas the smallest GV offers is 30 liters, so it's like twice the size, and yeah, it costs much more, obviously. So I just been on a 200-kilometer trip with bumpy roads at speeds at around 100 kilometers per hour, and this kind of 4 bolts and big washer setup is enough. But so it's very sturdy. I can move the bike with it, but because this type of box is not designed to be mounted on a motorcycles and take up a lot of stress from those big bumps at speed. So this part is the thinnest on the box. So the edges are very sturdy, the side obviously, but this here it's not that sturdy. So I'm going to mount an aluminum plate, so the stress can be taken up by an even bigger area of the bottom plate. Okay, there is one more disadvantage, that it doesn't have a lock. So this is a pressure regulator, but because it has a hole in it, I'm going to 3D print something like a tongue with a hole in it, which then I can use with a suitcase or a cable lock. That obviously won't be here when I'm riding the bike, only when I leave it somewhere outside. All right, so we were talking about the price. The size is, the weight is about 2 kilograms. This was the heaviest I found on Amazon.de. Yeah, I think I've covered everything, and yeah, stay tuned for the 3D printed lock mechanism. All right, on the pegs, out.